Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today this is just gonna be a normal video. Sweet. Okay guys, it's gonna be a normal video, but
Yellow is a
oh my god, rain! Go! Sweet. Sweet. Oh! So this is just gonna be a normal gameplay of Bed Wars, and it's kind of a laugh drift for us and you guys, kind of. Holy! This is how we play in Bed Wars while talking. So we're just gonna ignore the fact that we're gonna be in a call and just act like we're in a normal game. Bob. What's up? What? Oh no! No. What? No! Oh. No! Bro.
Oh wait, I'm getting anti-cheated.
Bad idea.
Now I'm back with no one.
Ah. Oh. Yeet. Oh, bro.
I feel like you're gonna short. Can't break that.
Oh! Oh! If you would have.
Nobody, you need to cut that.
No, I can't. I don't know how to cut.
I did not see it. I totally did not see it.
Oh.
It's a failure.
What a failure!
You really tried to get our bed, but it
What a failure! He even drew his own blocks, thinking that I need those. He threw his own blocks. What a failure!
they just made it.
Oh, nothing happened. Nothing happened. I saw nothing, so I don't know what you're talking about. Ice. Okay, bro. We hit those.
Yeah,
He did. Oh my God, purple's a tryhard. I'm watching purple. I'm watching purple team tryhard right now. I was watching
I
them.
like the fact that that lucky block right there, I think it's great I don't like
Dude, you know what's funny? You know what made it cursed? It was jump boots as well.
yes.
If you got that, you would have made it that jump. Bye. You have you ever got that dream where you when you I freaking got a fireball. Slow descent. I swear I love beginning. I swear I love beginnings. Bro, wow, that's gonna do a lot, bro. You're the idiot. Let's go! No! David! No, I'm dead! No! I'm gonna die next! Oh, no way! Oh, David, have these! I'm gonna die! Oh! You saw nothing! You saw nothing! You saw nothing! You can't go to any base. Yo, David, I just want to let you know I already made a bridge back to our base. I didn't see anything there. The glitch Lucky Block, yes, the one from Lucky Block battles. I did not see anything. You fell again, didn't you? I gave you balloons.
Exactly, I'm ballooning for purpose. Very naughty.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, of course when I blows up the house. Don't just try to spear me.
Then I will prevent you. Go to sleep now. How many iron do you have?
How much does it do to do you have
I'll give you 9 emeralds.
sword without
I'll give you 9 emeralds. I will. Give me a rage speed or something. Oh, thank you, games. I just jinxed it. I wanted a rage speed and I just said, just give me a rage speed, game. Thanks for the rage speed, I guess.
Suka blade.
Ah! Okay, fine. Here's the deal. Chest. Oh, yeah. I got my Saiyan sword. I got anti-cheated. Thanks for the no emeralds. Oh. Come on. Nice aim. But I can stand still, they don't want to hit me. Holy crap, they're bots.
Yeah, they are.
Bro, I'm standing still. What is that guy doing? I'm standing still. Holy crap. That guy's not a bot. Oh, look at him, bro. Finally. Okay, I'm gonna stand still in a different map. Okay. What is that?
He's standing still. What the heck? Yeah, contact's over.
She's are flying Raiden. Super Saiyajin no! Hush!
Can't break this.
Yeah, okay, I broke the defense. Oh! Oh!
Oh, I don't have a balloon. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh! You're using Kaboy. Ah! By the way, guys, if I didn't warn you earlier, this is an ear rape warning. Ear rape warning.
Why is it static? Oh my gosh. Wizard.
Ah! You take damage, you know. I know. You can't run. I'll have to think. I have to think. Oh, okay, they definitely is their first. Okay, one of their first times. I dare you to jump that. Don't finish it. Don't finish it. Don't finish the bridge. I want to troll them here. Nice. Ah! You saw nothing. You saw nothing. Oh! We did get suffocated. You saw nothing, by the way. Oh! 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 Ah! Oh my god, what a burp. That was a burp. Just do it! David, it is. I have a stone sword.
We just got like literally.
Watch me one shot it. Watch me one shot it. Oh! They're not even barbarian. I don't care. They're not barbarian equals. I don't care. Who the hell cares? Who the hell has? And second of all, who the hell flippin' cares? Oh, you can just do it at least. Oh! Oh! And the next one, who the hell is? Bro, what is he doing? He's staring at the defense. Give it. I'm small boy. I'm small boy. I'm younger than you, bro. Oh. Who the hell cares? Who the hell asked? Third of all, who the hell flippin'? Who the hell asked? Who the hell asked? Who the hell cares? And third of all, I do not care. Oh yo yo. Oh yo yo. Oh yo. Oh yo 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 yo. I am the adult. Oh yo 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 yo. Oh, they fell! So cracked, they fell. Oh my god, so cracked. They fell. So cracked. They fell. Oh my god. Crap. My guy stole my shears. So cracked. First of all, who the hell cares? And then second of all, who the hell asked? It's gone. It's gone. Everyone's buying Uzi just because of the buff.
I wear a mask with a smile for
At a time. I wear a mask with a smile for hours at a time. Ah!
Whenever you shout, it makes me.
It makes you. Oi, oi, oi. Why is one of the best songs ever copyrighted? Why is one of the best songs ever copyrighted? Why is one of the best songs ever copyrighted? What a dead boy. Oh, oh yeah. What a tryhard. Ah!
Just gonna break this.
Why?
Just break this.
Why? Let me break it with my shears so it's more luckier.
There's not the hole.
This guy's so dead. That guy is so dead. He's so dead. Yes! Let me break it. Let me break that. Let me. Oh my god! I told you. I should have broke it. I should have broke it. I still can't believe I killed him with a one block. Dying from a block.
You just fall right by you. Hey, that's the part.
Oh my god! Yes, breaking with a shear. Rip that guy!
Oh.
David, run! Haha. Oh god, I got jump scared. Rip our bed. Oh my god, I'm gonna reset. I can't save it in time. David, I resetted. No, I ate! I told you, no, I ate. Let's go! Bye. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be how we talk. That's how we talk in a normal messenger call or Discord call. Sorry. I hope you like it. Unsubscribe from David's channel. I'm joking. Out of context. Out of context. I'm just joking. Like and subscribe from David's channel. I'll put it in David's. I'll put it in the description. And